My name's Ned. This is my dog Jai. And I just told him today that we're talking about Excel, and he's over it. But we're not just talking about doing all of your reporting in Excel. We're instead talking about how to host an Excel file right alongside your Power BI reports in the Power BI service. So let's talk about it. Here I have an Excel file on my local computer, and I've done Excel file things. For example, I've written Excel in Power BI in 72-point font, and I've then gone ahead and I've saved it on my example SharePoint site. Now that this Excel file is on SharePoint, I can actually import it into my Microsoft Power BI environment. So I can go right here, click this import button, go down here, and then hit SharePoint and then select the Excel file that I saved on my example site and go ahead and click upload. What this does is this essentially links to that Excel file from my Power BI workspace, which then means that I can do things like this, opening the Power BI file on the Power BI service. It also means that I can go ahead and include the Power BI file in a workspace app. So let's go ahead and let's create an app by clicking create app, typing in demo here in the description, hitting next, add content, and then in content, selecting our Excel file, clicking add, next audience, and then hitting publish. What this then does is when I navigate to that app right here, what you'll see is that the app actually includes my Excel file, and the end users can see it right alongside reports. So you don't have to choose between Excel or Microsoft Power BI. You can have both hosted in the Power BI service. So with that said, please consider liking this video, subscribing, and leaving a comment if you learned something. It really helps the channel grow. And with that, I hope you have a good rest of your day.